yung bandang Santander. Okay, Cantabria region yan. So doon nag-uumpisa yung Ebro River. So one of the famous landmark na dinadaanan din ng Ebro River is the Saragossa. No, of course, pag pumupunta tayo ng Saragossa for the Our Lady of the Pillar, pagka October, so Ebro River din yan, no? So yun, dito siya nagtatapos sa Catalunya, dito sa bandang Tarragona, yung Delta de Ebro, so then yung pinaka-end niya, so magmi-meet na siya sa Mediterranean. Okay, so if you can imagine kung gano'n kahaba yung Ebro River. Okay, so the difference yung Guadalquivir, no? Guadalquivir nasa ano yun, nasa Sevilla. Okay, Guadalquivir though is not the longest, but then navigable siya, no? Yung ibig sabihin, kung saan nag-uumpisa ang Guadalquivir hanggang kung saan siya mag-end, pwede kayong mag-boat, no? Nakakadahan lahat ng boat. But of course, ang Ebro hindi siya, no? Kasi meron siyang mga part na maliit siya, hindi kaya ang mga boat. Okay? So bigla siyang gilid tapos lalawak ulit. Okay? Just ano lang, if I am wrong, correct me if I am wrong, okay? Pero nasa examen po yan ng nasyonalidad. Just in case, okay? So we are in the province of Tarragona. We are still inside the region of or Comunidad de Catalunya. Okay, so the community of Catalunya, we have Barcelona, Tarragona, Girona, and Lleida. Okay, so nasa Tarragona po tayo ngayon. But the specific name of the town is Miravet. So Miravet is also famous sa mga ano no, yung pottery. No, like for example, that one, ceramic pottery. So if you want to visit yung mga local potteries nila in the town center, there are several of potteries. So you could actually meron silang ano, you could actually watch how they're doing it, or you can buy authentic potteries, mga pots nila. So doon. So ano lang no, how you call it, just a kind reminder no, to remind you about the responsible and how you call it, sustainable tourism. Of course, there will be next generation other than us, no? So yung mga magiging anak, apo sa tuhod. So yan, part na yung Ebro River yan ha. Anyway, so yun, somehow, so that we can contribute to the local small tourism of Miravet, though may baon kayo, since mag-iiwan din naman siguro tayo ng, but of course, no, do not litter, no, throw your trash sa mga proper na basurahan. So like, a simple contribution to their local tourism, like maybe kung may baon kayo, kaya siguro bumili lang kayo ng soft drinks or kape, or maybe a simple souvenir, no, sa kanilang town. That's a big contribution, no, since hindi naman sila laging may mga turista. In that way, we could help, no, we could help to their tourism, to their local tourism. Because hindi naman sila katulad ng Barcelona City na ang daming tao, no, ang daming tao, there are so many tourists. But here, seasonal lang that they have visitors. So in that way, since yung basura natin kasama din naman sa itatapon nila, so in that way, we could help them and we could contribute, okay? So here we are. Ay. No, creo que mejor con el culo. Culo ba? Sí, acá mucho mejor para entrar.
¿Culo?